friends, welcome back for another American Sign Language video. I'm Leslie Stanley.
And I'm Annabelle.
And we are going to be introducing signs you can use in the classroom. And we're going to start with the alphabet. So we'll go through each letter and then we'll sing the alphabet song together. Sound good? Okay, so let's start with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, B, W, X, Y, and Z. All right, you ready to sing the song? Okay, ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Excellent, Annabelle. Thank you. All right, so we can also learn days of the week using the alphabet sign. So like Monday is an M, and then you face it towards your chest and circle it. Monday, right? What do you think Tuesday is? T, and circle. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Now Thursday is another T, so we have to add an H. Thursday. Friday. Good. Friday. Saturday. Sunday's another S, so it has to be different, right? Sunday. All right, you ready to sing days of the week?
Yeah.
There's Monday and there's Tuesday. There's Wednesday and there's Thursday. There's Friday and there's Saturday. And then there's Sunday. All right. I don't think we... Let's try that one again. Ready?
It was...
There's Sunday and there's Monday. Okay, sorry.
There's
Okay, ready?
Tuesday
Let's try it
and
again.
there's
Ready? Tell us when you're ready. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right. Some other signs you might, thank you. Some other signs you might learn or use in the classroom, and we've even talked about maybe using on Zoom, are some of these. Ready? So this one is, I have a question, right? I have a question. I have an answer. See the A? I have an answer. I have a comment, right? May I use the restroom? An R for restroom. May I get a drink? For water, a drink. One moment, please. One moment. Or for some of the younger children, wait. You can say, please, wait. All right. Lights off and lights on. Or I'm ignoring you. That's off task. Or, yeah. And then this one is, that was off topic, right? What does that look like? Stop. Kind of looks like a stop, right? Yeah. And this is line up. Line up. It's kind of like B. Line up. And pencils down. Sit. Stand. And this is volunteer. Can I have a volunteer? Or I would like to volunteer. What letter is that?
V.
V. All right. Well, thank you for signing with us today. We'll see you next time. Bye.